Revolut is one of those fintech apps that makes you wonder why traditional banks still operate the way they do. It's designed to be a one-stop shop for spending, saving, investing, and even trading, all wrapped up in a sleek, easy-to-use interface. If you're someone who frequently deals with multiple currencies, travels often, or just wants a more modern way to manage your money, Revolut can feel like a game changer, but like anything, it's not perfect. There are some trade-offs that might make it less appealing depending on your needs. One of the biggest draws of Revolut is its flexibility with currencies. You can hold and exchange over 25 different ones at some of the best rates you'll find, making it a great option for travelers or people who work internationally. It also makes sending money abroad ridiculously easy. No more dealing with clunky wire transfers or excessive fees from your bank. You can send money as easily as you'd send a text, which is a huge plus. And if you're big on cashback, Revolut offers up to 5% back on purchases at certain merchants, though you'll need to be on one of the paid plans to really take advantage of that. Speaking of paid plans, this is where some people might feel the pinch. The standard plan is free, but if you want the full Revolut experience, better exchange rates, higher savings interest, premium cards, and extra perks, you'll need to upgrade to a premium or metal plan, which costs $9.99 or $16.99 per month, respectively. For some, that's totally worth it, especially if you use Revolut as your main financial hub. But if you're only using it occasionally, the monthly fee might not be justified. Another feature that stands out is the investment options. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and even use a robo-advisor to build a portfolio, all with no commission fees. That's a pretty big deal for an all-in-one banking app, especially since traditional brokers tend to charge fees that eat into your profits. But as always with investing, there's risk involved. So if you're not experienced, you might want to start slow. Security-wise, Revolut does a solid job. You get advanced fraud protection, the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card instantly, and even one-time use virtual cards for secure online shopping. This makes it a strong choice for anyone worried about online fraud. Plus, with 24/7 customer support and a dedicated security team, it's clear they take user safety seriously. That being said, some users have reported issues with customer service, especially when it comes to account restrictions or dispute resolutions. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. Overall, Revolut is a great tool for people who want more control and flexibility with their finances, especially if they travel, invest, or deal with multiple currencies. The app is intuitive, feature-packed, and designed for the modern user. But the best features are locked behind paid plans, and customer support can be hit or miss. If you're looking for a smarter way to manage your money and don't mind paying a little extra for convenience, Revolut is absolutely worth checking out. If you just need a basic bank account with no fees, though, you might not get as much value out of it.